Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Pate, and I'm a chiropractic physician with Absolute Healthcare Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I've been bringing a series of videos to assist patients with stretching after they leave the office, and these are for demonstration purposes only. I've included several videos for hip and gluteal stretching, mostly focusing on the gluteal and posterior aspects regarding the hip joint. Today, we're going to focus on the anterior muscles that surround the hip. Specifically, today we're going to focus on our psoas, or what's commonly called our hip flexors. As a society, we tend to be very sedentary, especially if you're seated all day at a computer or driving. Those hip flexors, which are at the front part of your hips, are in a shortened position when we sit. It is very important to lengthen them, stretch them out, just as important as when we stretch out the posterior, and eventually we'll get to other aspects of the muscles surrounding our hips. So today we're going to focus on a very basic hip flexor stretch. So we're going to start, I am on a yoga mat on the floor. Please find somewhere comfortable. You may, if you have any tenderness in the knees, you may want to grab a pillow or an extra towel or blanket to put under your knees if a yoga mat is not enough. So we're going to start on all fours. For purposes of demonstration, I will be stretching my right hip flexor. So if I start on all fours, I want to make sure I'm stable. I'm going to go to a kneeling position and put my left foot flat on the ground. My knee is bent, my foot is flat. Right now, again, my hip flexor is in a fairly neutral position. Since I want to elongate it, you may want to put your left foot forward a little bit, and then I'm going to lean in to my body, pushing forward. I can even engage my gluteal muscles, which means to contract them to get even a deeper stretch along these hip flexors, which again are on the anterior or front part of your thigh. So right here, if you're very tight, you may already feel a great stretch. So you can hold it here for 10 to 20 seconds and then return to your resting position. I would recommend doing it several times with a 10 to 20 second hold when you're starting out, and then subsequent stretching sessions, you can hold it for longer periods of time. When you want to switch legs, I'm going to put my left knee down and then put my right knee up. Again, I'm thinking about elongating that left side, lean forward into this right knee to stretch that out. If you're feeling unstable in this position, you can also use yoga blocks or have a piece of furniture close by that you can put a hand on as you stretch. I will continue to provide progressions to this simple hip flexor stretch in subsequent videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.